It is undeniable that Binance has gained the attention from crypto traders all around the world and maintained its position to be one of the best crypto exchanges for many years. If you haven't watched our video about how to earn the sign-up bonus on this exchange, check out the links below. In this video, I will show you a step-by-step instruction on how you can withdraw and deposit on this exchange. Let's go! So the first step is to log into your Binance account. If you haven't had an account, you can watch our tutorial video on how to sign up and verify yourself on Binance to be able to deposit fiat currency, and with our referral code, you can earn up to $100 bonus together with 20% of our trading fees on Binance. So after logging in, go to Wallet here and choose Fiat and Spot. Then you will arrive at this page where you can see at the corner here is the withdrawal button, so just click on it. And then as you can see here, you are making fiat withdrawal. Next, select the currency that you want to withdraw, and as you can see here, there are a lot of currency for you to choose. Then choose your withdrawal method. It is recommended that you should use bank transfer or bank card, which can be your Visa or MasterCard. But you can also choose to withdraw using Arcash account balance here. I've already had a credit account, so I just choose bank card here. And then click on continue. Then you will be asked to provide your card information in case you haven't added any card on Binance. So here just enter your card number, expiry date and CVV code. Then click on next. After you have added your card, just go ahead and click on continue and Binance will proceed to send the money to your card. Now to withdraw your coins to your crypto wallet or another exchange, from the home page here, go to wallet and then choose fiat and spot again. Then same as previously, click on withdrawal button. So as you can see here, you are making fiat withdrawal. In order to change that to crypto, just click on withdraw crypto button here. Then choose the coin that you want to withdraw. You can see the list of coins that you want to withdraw here. Next, and also very important, is that to make sure to fill in the right recipient's address. So this can be the address of your crypto e-wallet or the wallet on the other exchange that you want to send crypto from Binance to. Then choose the correct network here. So it is also important that you have to get the exact address and the network, which must be the same as though in the receiving platform. Otherwise, you won't be able to receive the coins that you have sent. And this cannot be refunded, so the risk of losing your asset is very high. And after you have double-checked all the information, just submit the withdrawal request and wait for the coins to arrive at the other platform. The sending process can take about a few minutes, but depending on the network, which can be overloaded sometimes, it can take a little bit longer, up to a few working days, so just be patient. If after about 3 to 5 working days and you haven't received the coins yet, then you will have to make a claim to the Binance support team and let them help you. And that's it. And for the deposit tutorial, we have made another video about this previously, so check it out. Easy, right? If you're looking for a complete walkthrough of any crypto exchange, check out the links below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to CoinF Master because it's free. And turn on the notification bell because we have so much more crypto information and tutorials that we cannot wait to share with you. Goodbye for now and see you in the next video.